Okay, Ronaldo.
What are you doing now?
Last Wednesday I put this jig. It's two stoppers. One side for 5/8, other side for 3/4. And now it maybe it will be a last improvement for this jig. It's for now pencil just put it inside tight enough, but it's maybe not convenient. It's I would like make some of I don't know, some of clamp or some of screw for tight this pencil inside this jig, and for fast take it off, sharpening and put it back for using and so.
Okay, sounds good. Keep working there. Thank you.
Thank you.
But I put it also marked for centerpiece, which is not possible. So our friend Alex created this thing. With this we are using really easy. So we are coming to the front like this, and then we are adjusting the pencil with the shelf like this. So now this is on the center. I try to check it also on the other side. If it is good, yeah, it's good. So now this is the thing which I'm going to use it on the back. It's very easy. Before you're facing a lot of problem for this. You're using measurement tape and you're doing spots, but not like. But with this, it's accurate and also really good. I really like it. Thank you, Alex.